Many digital artists and photographers are already making well over $100,000 annually by tapping into this creative and lucrative market. AI technology, especially advanced tools for image generation and upscaling, can help you create high-quality, captivating visuals that attract buyers. Ready to explore how you can turn this innovative approach into a profitable business? Let's dive into the world of AI-generated images and unlock the secrets to financial success. Welcome to day 22 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an exciting and highly creative niche, making money by generating and selling AI-created images of different places. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the best strategies for online income. With the rise of AI tools that can produce incredibly detailed and realistic images, you can create visuals that capture the beauty of various locations around the world, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by combining your creativity with the power of AI. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this innovative approach into a reality. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. The first step in this journey is understanding the market potential for AI-generated images. High-quality images of different places are in constant demand for various purposes, including travel websites, magazines, blogs, and digital art collections. By creating unique and visually appealing images, you can tap into a broad audience that includes businesses, content creators, and art enthusiasts. The key is to offer something that stands out and captures the imagination of potential buyers. Leveraging AI in the creation of these images is a game changer. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate detailed and aesthetically pleasing visuals of various locations. These tools use advanced algorithms to create realistic and imaginative representations of places, whether they are famous tourist spots or fantasy-inspired landscapes. By using AI, you can produce high-quality content quickly, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer engagement. Selling your images on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy can significantly boost your visibility and sales. These platforms provide an easy-to-use interface for listing your products and managing transactions, making it convenient to reach a global audience. Optimize your listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Joining these marketplaces can help you tap into an existing customer base, driving traffic and increasing your chances of success. To further enhance your earning potential, consider offering additional products and services related to your images. For example, you can create and sell themed digital art collections, offer personalized photo prints, or provide custom image editing services. Offering customization options for corporate branding or personalized gifts can also attract a dedicated audience and provide an additional income stream. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader range of customer needs and increase your overall revenue. Success in this field also requires a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. By consistently improving your craft, you'll build a reputation for excellence and attract more business opportunities. Networking with other professionals in the AI and design spaces can also open up valuable opportunities. Collaborating with other artists and creators can lead to partnerships, joint ventures, and referrals, all of which can enhance your business. Attend industry conferences, participate in online communities, and engage with thought leaders to build your network. These connections can provide insights, support, and potential collaborations that can propel your business forward. The financial rewards of creating and selling AI-generated images can be significant. Many individuals in this field are already earning six-figure incomes, with some even surpassing $200,000 annually. This high earning potential, combined with the flexibility of working from anywhere, makes this venture an attractive career option. By mastering the art of creating and marketing images with the help of AI, you can build a profitable and fulfilling business that allows you to achieve financial independence. In conclusion, the combination of AI and creative design offers a powerful pathway to earning money online in 2024. By mastering the art of creating engaging images, understanding market demands, and leveraging AI tools, you can build a successful business that generates substantial income. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, the key to success lies in continuous learning, strategic planning, and effective marketing. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators making over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 20 to stay tuned for more.